Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking the physical prerequisites: power, connectivity, and legal clearance. First, verify utility capacity and confirm fiber routes, then order environmental and building permits. Once done, perform a geotechnical survey and flood zone check to avoid surprises. These impact foundation and cooling design. Make sure to notify local utilities and stakeholders early to align delivery timelines. You'll save weeks by coordinating permits, utility upgrades, and right-of-way agreements before construction mobilizes. You now assemble the backbone systems that keep servers online. Begin with civil work: slab, containment walls, and seismic anchoring to support racks and heavy equipment. Next, bring in electrical infrastructure: substation, transformers, UPS banks, and PDUs, configured for N+1 or 2N redundancy to meet SLAs. Once power is staged, install cooling, chillers, CRA units, and hot/cold aisle containment to control delta T and humidity. Finally, integrate fire suppression and monitoring. This combination ensures availability and protects equipment. You finish by bringing systems into production through thorough commissioning and documentation. Begin rack and cabling installs, enforce labeling and containment standards, then power devices in stage sequences to validate UPS transfer and generator start. Once online, run failover tests, L2/L3 network validation, and thermal mapping to find hotspots. After passing tests, document configurations, create maintenance schedules, and train operations staff on escalation procedures. If something goes wrong, start rollback to last.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.